Hi there, I'm Chloe Crabtree. Welcome to Hometalk. Tonight I'm going to show you a really fun technique to do with your pumpkins this fall. Okay, I'm going to start with some artificial pumpkins and a hot glue gun. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and put a pattern on with the glue. This first pattern is going to just be dots, like so. And you're going to just turn your pumpkin so that it doesn't slide down and let them harden just like that. Okay, now I can't tilt it right now, but because I have to let them dry, so we're going to let those dry for just a minute. Now, one of the other patterns that I like to do on here is I like to add just little dots, like they're little French knots, like I'm stitching it. So right next to the chevron, I'm going to do little dots. And it really helps if after you are finished, you just wind that little glue thread right around there. So right around the dot. And again, you're going to want to hold your pumpkin up so that they don't run, or you're going to have teardrops and not little round dots, okay? So you can do whatever pattern you want, but we're going to make this one kind of look like it's a sweater maybe that's been stitched, all unique stitches, so that it's kind of a cozy pumpkin for fall. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to incorporate these into my decor. So I'm going to keep doing a number of patterns on here for you to see, okay? So you want to make all of your patterns all around your pumpkin, and you want to then make sure that you pick off all of the threads. You can use your hot hair dryer to melt away most of the threads, but some of them you will still need to pick off. I've used tweezers to pick off a lot of them. And when you have that all done, you're going to paint, okay? So I am going to use Plaid Brand's Folk Art White Matte Acrylic Paint. And what I like to do is I like, while I'm working with it, to use these little disposable cups so I can put the lid on and it doesn't go bad in between. It doesn't dry out. So we're gonna open this up and I'm gonna fill up my little cup here. And then I'm going to start painting this white, and you're going to paint right over top of the glue, just like so. Now that my pumpkins have all been painted white with their little faux stitching on them, I am going to use this Folk Art Pure Gold Metallic Paint. And I've poured some in a little container here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the stems. Here you can see how I've done on this one and this one. And now I'm just going to do that. And I see I have a couple of little marks on these, but I can touch those up with white acrylic paint after the fact. But for now, let's just go ahead and paint all of the trunks or stems on these pumpkins with this lovely gold. You can see how elegant that makes them look. And I'm going to show you how they look as a centerpiece on my elegant fall table. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish painting. When you're all finished creating your beautiful pumpkins, gather them together in the center of the table, put them in a basket or a bowl, a dough bowl, or do like I did, making them very elegant. I put them on a gold beaded placemat, and they are the stars of this pretty table. Oh, one more. I forgot one. I hope you've enjoyed this project, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Home Talk.